All right, next up is our first product announcement and demo for the day. I'd like to invite Masa up on stage to talk about secured finance, how they got started, what they've been working on, and what you can do with the dApp. So without further ado, please welcome Masa. I'll have you grab that mic on there and off to presenting. Welcome.
All right. Hi, I'm Masa Kikuchi. I'm founder of Secured Finance. I'm so proud to be here as a speaker at Pragma. So I'm going to talk about accelerating decentralized finance. We're a DeFi project, and we're building interbank-grade peer-to-peer capital markets for digital assets. Our mission is basically bridge the gap between traditional finance and crypto finance. And we're leading decentralized finance platform built on Ethereum blockchain, and that is interoperable with traditional banking. I'm a scientist and also TradFi people. And we're backed by some of the brightest people from top tier of institutional finance. And we enable long-term investment vehicles based on a reliable yield curve. And our interbank market system bridges the gap between TradFi and DeFi. And we unlock possibilities of disrupted ledger technologies, or distributed ledger technologies, to democratize this market. And we bring trillions to crypto economy. Today, I'm going to talk about our origin and our concept of our market. And I'm going to talk about problem and solution. And I'm going to show some of our products and demo, and show some tractions and share our future plans. So we are born through hackathon. Thank you, Ethereum, ETHGlobal, and we joined HackFS hackathon. It's co-hosted by Protocol Labs and ETHGlobal. And we won a couple of awards, and that allowed me to join Tachyon Accelerator, and that's how we started. A couple of our history. So we got some awards, top DeFi prize from Protocol Labs, and also Best ETH 2.0 and Leap P2P projects from Ethereum Foundation. Then we joined Filecoin Launchpad Accelerator run by Tachyon by consensus. And we raised $4 million, co-led by Protocol Labs. And luckily, we returned to HackFS sponsor. And now we have been designing fixed-term loan markets. And today, I'm going to announce that we went launch for our product. So speaking about our concept, and I want to build interbank-grade peer-to-peer capital markets. So looking back, when I was working for traditional bank, interbank market is actually decentralized already. And it is peer-to-peer. There's no central. There's a central counterparty. But basically, if you look at the architecture, it is peer-to-peer already. But they're using their own databases, own systems that is not interoperable. So the idea is basically use blockchain to replace middle office, back office with blockchain. So that in that way, we can reduce the cost dramatically. And we can open up this interbank and bank-grade market accessible for everyone. So if you look at the size of the market, OTC derivatives is by far the largest market. It is $632 trillion market. And on the other hand, there's exchange-traded, not OTC, market, which is $79 trillion. So you can see how big the market size is. So world GDP is $80 trillion. So you can see how OTC derivatives market is large. And if you can take a look at it closely, out of 632, interest rates market is $502 trillion. So about 80% of the OTC market is interest rates market. And that is the market we are going to build. So this is huge business opportunity, but we don't see this market happening in the DeFi space yet. And I'm going to explain why it is so difficult. So now a lot of DeFi projects are successful in making money market. We call it money market for less than 1 year. And for the more than 1 year space, we call it capital market. Right now, it looks like DeFi is successful and come to some kind of maturity, but people are so excited about basically spot exchange, buy or sell, cryptocurrencies, and do some market making, do some yield farming, but it's more like a less than 1 year space. And we are missing this huge part of the capital markets. So who is usually building this? It's actually, the people treat cryptocurrency right now as cash or equity, but it's not cash or equity. It is currency that comes with banking level solutions, like bonds and swaps and derivatives and hedging solutions. And but I believe JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs has to build it, but it seems too early for them. And this is a huge problem, and I'm going to share this problem. So there's an international regulatory framework called Basel III. If banks need to hold crypto assets in their balance sheets, the risk weight is 1,250%, which is really high. And also they have to pay extra compliance costs. That is so expensive. That is the reason why they don't want to provide a full range of financial services for crypto. And maybe custodian is okay, but they don't want to provide full scale of financial services. And that is why we decided to build this level of market as a decentralized financial protocol. So right now, DeFi is like finance baby. It looks successful, but it's just a few $billion scale. But from traditional finance scale, it is a $1 trillion scale. So this is the scale we want to bring this into this crypto. And so we're more like try to become Solomon Brothers or Goldman Sachs of decentralized finance. And we're basically industry experts. So we hired traders from Goldman Sachs and a quant engineer from HSBC and a digital strategist from Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs. And that's how we build it. And our approach is to build yield curve in the first place by providing a loan market. So the loan market is the first product. And then we're going to expand the product range to FX forward, and then going to build derivatives market. So talking about the yield curve, it is so crucial to build the interest rates market. But it's not really the pool-based, AMM-based interest rates. It is a local interest rates. But on the other hand, our solution is to have an order book system, which is universal interest rates, so it can be used as a reference rate to build a derivatives market. So our interest rate quality is universal, as opposed to the AMA-based local interest rates. So once we establish yield curve, and then from loan markets, we can expand our ecosystem to swaps, forwards, and hedging and options market. So this is the ecosystem we want to expand. So our first product is loan market, which is decentralized lending and borrowing for currencies. Our features, we designed our plain vanilla as a zero coupon loan market, so you don't need to think about the coupon calculations. And we are order book based fair price discovery, and we have smart contract clearing counterparty. So this solves the problem of secondary market liquidity. And we also have automatic redemption with mid-price rolling, which is so effective for large-scale investors. And today, I'm going to make an announcement that we finally went live after 2 years of development. Thank you very much. On Guardi testnet. So we open up 32 markets for currencies. Each currency has 8 markets. Basically, it's 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12, up to 2 years. So you can choose one of 32 markets, and you can take a look at our yield curve and see the trading opportunities or arbitrage opportunities. So let's play our 1-minute quick video. Oh, sorry. How can I play? Let me click. All right, so I'm going to share with you later. This is basically the 1 minute, but you can go to our website and you can jump onto the website. So along with our product launch in March, we're quite busy. We coordinated our a launch. So we released white paper and concept paper. It took a bit about 15 minutes to read, but we released on March 14th. And we also released our landing page and a web app. And also it comes with OAT, On-Chain Achievement Token campaign. We're running test pilot check-in campaign, and also we published 7 articles, basically step-by-step guides, how to connect wallets, how to set up a MetaMask, etc. This is kind of a barrier we need to remove. So you can go through our documents. So our go-to-market strategy is 3 steps from retail to institutional. First step, important step, is to serve a borrow lend demand for the Filecoin storage providers. They're paying more than 20%, so it's really attractive investment opportunity for investors. And then we provide Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC curve. That is, you can arbitrage, you can carry trade. So this is super interesting. And then the third step is actually we build a forward market and provide an opportunity for the structuring products, such as a dual currency deposit. And we see a tremendous growth in terms of active users. So we already achieved 48.9 tweeters, and Discord, as of today, we have 49K. And Guild also 38K, and Galaxy, we compiled 112K. So we're so humble to becoming a top DeFi. If you look at the Discord community size, we surpassed MakerDAO, Yield, 1-inch yarn curve, and we are, as of today, we have 49K. So our community is as big as Aave already. So thank you very much. And we're running a weekly basis community call. On average, we have more than 3,000 attendees. So I'm so excited to have this super engaging community. So this is a connected wallet addresses. Since we launched our product, our unique connected addresses keeps increasing, having over 7,000 unique addresses. So we are so excited to keep improving. And another announcement here is we're in the middle of the test pilot V1 training program. So basically, you can go through a training program. You don't need to know any of the finance knowledge. You can just go through our user guides, so you get used to the how to trade on the interbank market, and to become expert traders. Institutional investors are coming, but you can compete with them. I'm sure that you will become a top trader in the world. And finally, as a Japanese founder, I want to invite you to come to the Web3 world and also come to Japan. Japan is fully committed, shifting gear towards Web3. And so we are changing a lot of laws and tax rules, etc. So we are so excited that Japan is leading the Web3. And yeah, thank you very much. So I hope you can come to our hackathon. We are hosting hackathon. So thank you very much.
Well, thank you so much. I'm not sure if you all caught that, but this project came out of ETHGlobal Hackathon about 2 years ago, and just the incredible amount of progress they've made to kind of get here just shows you how dedicated not only Masa and their team is, but the opportunity here to build something really interesting that takes in from all the principles that you know in traditional finance. So give a big round of applause to Secured Finance team one more time. and thank you for their continued support.